Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to start another how-to, and this time we're going to do a how-to on making an ice cream sundae. I'm sure you all know what kind of favorite ice cream you like, what kind of toppings you like to put on it, what you like to eat with it. Sometimes we might like to put sprinkles on it or marshmallows. Sometimes you want to put a banana in it. So those are the things I want you to think of. So I have this app again today that shows how to make an ice cream sundae. I know a lot of you had trouble being able to make your pizza on this because it only works if you have a laptop or a PC. So if you have a computer like that, you can play the game. If not, then it doesn't work on the phone unless you buy it. So here's my container. I'm going to put it in this fancy glass bowl. So after I have my bowl, the next step I need to do is pick my ice cream flavor. So they have vanilla, rainbow chip, they have strawberry, they have mint chocolate chip. This one looks like cookie dough, so you get to pick whichever ice cream you want. So I picked vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Then you could put a type of sauce on it. Do you want to put peanut butter sauce on it? Do you want to put chocolate syrup on it? Maybe like a bubblegum kind of flavor. So I'm going to put some chocolate syrup on it. Looks delicious. Then if you like whipped cream, they give you all different kinds of whipped cream here, which is pretty cool. So I'll put some whipped cream on it. And then I can put toppings on it. There's sprinkles, there's star sprinkles to make it pretty, there's marshmallows, a cherry, and chocolate chips. So you could put on your sprinkles. I like a lot of sprinkles. You could put some chocolate chips on there. And then we could put our cherry on top. And then we're ready to serve it. In this game, you serve it to this monster. And he eats it pretty quickly. He looks like he really enjoys his ice cream. So if you have a computer, you can do that at home, or you could just watch my video and then you're going to get to do steps of how to make an ice cream sundae. So today you're going to work on how to make a sundae. All of the pieces at the bottom, you're able to move on to the number of the step that it comes. So what would be the first thing you do when you're making a sundae? Would you put a cherry on top of your whipped cream? Would you pour some chocolate sauce on the top of the ice cream? Would you spray some whipped cream on top of the chocolate sauce? Would you put 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream on top of the banana? Or would you put a slice of banana in the bottom of the bowl? So in this one, they're making a banana split. So you're going to put them in the correct order. So after you're done doing that, I want you to think about the steps that you use when you're making a sundae. So first, I get a bowl. Next, I take my ice cream from the freezer, put it on the counter, take the lid off, and scoop a big scoop of vanilla ice cream into my bowl. Then I put whipped cream on it. Next, I pour some chocolate syrup on it. So your story that you're going to write on this page is going to be how to make a sundae, but what do you like in your sundae? Not what I wrote about in the beginning or what we read about when we were moving our pieces. We want to write about what you like. So what is the first thing you do when you're making an ice cream sundae? So today you're just going to work on your first 2 steps. Make sure you use those transition words, and then you'll finish your writing on Friday about your ice cream sundae. And then next week we're going to do how-tos on something different. Have a great day. If you have any questions, reach out to me.